Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Suspected terrorist Samir S visited Goa in December as well as January. Arrived in Goa Express, phone number registered in Western UP. Exclusive. Suspected terrorist threatened ticket examiner with life. Warned them against informing ATS. Helipad at Aguada kept on hold for heli-tourism following protests from locals. Government to search alternate 3 sites in North Goa. CCP gearing up for elections. BJP-backed panel yet to be finalized. BJP seeks Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar's intervention. And locals from Talegaon Plateau area march to PWD office at Santines. Agitate against water scarcity. Threaten of severe agitation. And now the news in detail. The mystery around the suspected terrorist arrested at Vasco is increasing day by day. His resistance to interrogation, multiple passports and his activities in Goa have raised many questions. Prudent brings to you exclusive details about his stay in Goa, his passport and phone number. Intelligence Bureau officials have already arrived in Goa. A special report.
Fake name, multiple passports, password-protected laptop and suspicious multiple visits. A perfect itinerary for a terror suspect. Prudent tried to track down details about his stay in Goa. Here is the exclusive sneak peek into the life of the mysterious Samir S. The details. Visited Goa in December. Again arrived in January. Stayed from 11 Jan to 13 Jan. Back in Goa on 29 January, booked dormitory for 3 days. Increased his booking by 1 more day till 1st February. Arrested by ATS Goa on 1st February. Interestingly, he went by the name Samir S. The register at the dormitory where he stayed shows this. He did his last booking from Pune. His passport number mentioned while booking is A2204143. He mentioned his phone number as 9568503601. Sources have told Prudent that 2 bags, 1 suitcase and 1 handbag was seized from the dormitory along with his laptop. 5 different passports were recovered and he is still resisting providing password of his laptop. Bureau report, Prudent.
Now here's the brief account by the ticket examiner. Suspected terrorist Samir S threatened the ticket examiner at Vasco railway station. He gave them life threat and to kill them if they informed the ATS anything about him. Currently, crime branch is interrogating Samir S and it is known that he is not cooperating with the investigation. The suspected terrorist Samir S was staying in dormitory of Vasco railway station. Samir booked the room online from Pune. He checked into the room and stayed. Samir threatened the ticket examiner and told them that he would kill them if they informed the ATS anything about him.
वो सर आउट डिस्टेंस से रूम बुक करा के लाता था. हमारा काम सर इतना है सर, और अगर कहीं से रूम बुक करा के आया है तो उसका बुकिंग कराने के बाद हम एंट्री करते हैं रजिस्टर में. उसका आईडी प्रूफ देख के उसको ऊपर जो उसका रूम होता है उसको उधर भेज देते हैं. फ्रिक्वेंटली आता रहता था वो इधर. मंडे को मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock आने का उसने हमको धमकी दिया कि तुम लोगों ने मेरा बारे में किसी ATS वगैरह को इन्फॉर्म दी है तो मैं तुम दोनों को छोड़ूंगा नहीं. अभी तो ATS से छूटने का तो मैं तुम दोनों को दिखता अच्छे से छोड़ूंगा नहीं तुम दोनों में किसी को भी.
क्योंकि उसने हमको मारने की धमकी दी थी. मेरे को और ऑन ड्यूटी 31 तारीख को मैं और राठी था, तो दोनों लोग को सुबह 6 बजे आया और मारने की धमकी दिया कि तुम लोग एटीएस को इन्फॉर्मेशन किया है, इसलिए पहले भी 2 बार आया था, पर ऑनलाइन बुक करके आता था। हाँ, पासपोर्ट जो भी डालता था वो चेक करते थे।
Ticket examiners immediately informed the Vasco Railway Police. The Railway Police arrested Samir and handed over to the Vasco Police. The ATS then arrested him. The crime branch are currently interrogating him. Sources informed that Samir is not cooperating with the investigation. Bureau Report Prudent. Aguada heli-tourism is on hold as of now. The move comes from the government following strong protests from the locals. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar informed media that the government is planning to develop 3 alternate helipads in North Goa and the sites are being searched. CM held a meeting with Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo, GTDC Chairman Nilesh Kabral and Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar. Government now says Aguada Plateau is a heritage site.
हेली टुरिझम हो गोव्यात बरो सक्सेसफुली जावं शकता हे आमी व्हेरीफाय केलां. आतां देर हॅज बीन सम एप्रिहेन्शन्स आनी त्यामुळे एप्रिहेन्शन्स आसतकीर मागीर हातूनय पॉलिटिकल कॉम्पिटिशनूय जाता. त्यामुळे हांवें टायम बींग ते हेल्ड अप दवर म्हणून सांगलां. वी आर आयडेंटिफायींग सेपरेट सायट्स. म्हाका दिसता ह्या निमित्तान आनी जंय जंय टुरिझम भितर पावूंक ना अशा जाग्याचेर आयडेंटिफाय करून व्हेल्यार उरलेल्या भागाकूय ताचो फायदो जाता.
Michael Lobo was the first one to raise voice against heli-tourism at Aguada.
I am happy that he is seeing an alternate place. तुमचे कडेन तुमकां जाय जाल्यार हांवें तेतूस जे मिडिया आसले तांकां दिल्ले हांवें हे सगळे मिनिट्स ऑफ द मिटींग, चीफ सेक्रेटरी कडेन मिटींग, हे एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंट्रस्ट, एवरीथींग वॉज डन ड्युरींग द टेन्युअर ऑफ Congress government last time. And Agnel Fernandez was part of it. I don't know Agnel Fernandez तेंच्यांनी कॉन्फिडन्सान घेतलेलो काय ना.
Earlier in the day, former Kalangut MLA Kanduli Sarpanch and Panch were detained at the Aguada helipad for opposing heli-tourism.
हो प्लॅन दाखयलो, हेचेर हेलिपॅड दाखयला हिंदूर, हो फोर्ट, हो लायट हाऊस ते ऑपरेट करता हांगा. हेलिपॅड दाखयला हांगा एट द एंड ऑफ द दीस, बियॉन्ड दीस हेंचे कडेन कसलीच परमिशन ना. आनी स्टील असे सो वी सेड रिमूव दीस. न्हू काडी जाल्यार आमी वयता हेलिकॉप्टर आमी काडटा हेलिकॉप्टर वचून.
पण त्यांच्या लागी लायसन ना कांयच ना. पंचायत इज द फायनल ऑथॉरिटी नो टू गिव द लायसन. आमचे कांय परमिशनूय ना, कांय ना. हाऊ दे आर रनिंग दिस?
Panchayat is telling them to remove it without the license. You remove it. If you all are not listening to the Panchayat and the Sarpanch today, there is no democracy. There is no point of having elected members in the village.
We've done peaceful. We are asking for license. तुम्ही तो license दाखवलेला आम्ही peaceful करपाचे. You will want to vote. There you all don't have any licenses. You all don't have any license. You all remove the helicopter from here. No, Baba, you don't remove the helicopter. We are going to do the helicopter.
Laukik Shilkar and Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.